Welcome back to RV Road Report, the channel where adventure meets innovation on four wheels. Today, we have something extraordinary, a Land Rover camper van motorhome that fuses British engineering with overland passion. This isn't just a vehicle. It's your portable 5-star suite, ready to cross deserts, climb hills, and conquer campsites, all in one trip. Stick around as we go through 10 detailed segments to uncover every corner of this beast. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. Exterior, front view. Starting with the aggressive front fascia. You're greeted by a wide gloss black grille, bold Land Rover logo, and signature matrix LED headlights. Parked right in the company's showroom, the pristine, vibrant white paint pops under ambient lighting, giving a sharp contrast against the rugged black skid plate. The dual tow hooks, integrated fog lamps, and 20-inch deep-tread all-terrain tires reflect its serious off-road capability. Plus, a 360 degrees camera system is smartly hidden within the front for added security on tight trails. Top side view. Up top, this camper is smart and solar-powered. You'll see twin high-efficiency solar panels feeding directly into the onboard battery and inverter system, enough to power lights, fans, and minor appliances off-grid. A sleek shark fin antenna boosts signal strength for GPS and internet. And mounted at the rear, the rooftop climate unit includes dual-zone cooling whisper quiet fans and a smart thermostat for temperature control during extreme weather. Not to forget, built-in roof racks for extra gear storage. Backside view. Around the back, functionality meets form. The spare tire is mounted on a rugged swing arm carrier with a gas strut-assisted lock, ensuring easy access without heavy lifting. Mounted just above, the LED rear light bar ensures visibility during nighttime stops. The fold-down bicycle rack can hold 2 full-size mountain bikes securely and includes a quick-lock strap system. You'll also find a fold-out ladder that allows rooftop access, handy for cleaning solar panels or stargazing. Side view. On the side, the length and versatility of this long-body camper shine through. A fully motorized retractable awning stretches across the side, offering nearly 8 feet of shaded area. The side windows are double-glazed, tinted, and slide open for ventilation. Underneath, there's a waterproof exterior socket, perfect for plugging in a grill or charging outdoor gear. And of course, the LED strip lights built into the awning's edge create the ideal evening vibe for outdoor dinners and campfire chats. Driving compartment. Slide into the cockpit, and you're in a modern command center. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is fitted with haptic controls, while the digital dashboard displays trip data, off-road navigation, and tire pressure monitoring. To your left, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Land Rover's 4x4 terrain modes. The second 10-inch rear-view monitor streams live footage from the back cabin, even while driving. Both front seats come with heated and cooling functions and 12-way electric adjustments. Sitting and sleeping area. Step into the rear, and you're welcomed by a cozy lounge. The premium microfiber sofa seats 3 and converts smoothly into a queen-size bed with memory foam cushioning. Windows are fitted with magnetic blackout blinds, while the roof vent above provides airflow. On the side, you'll find 2 charging ports, an LED reading light, and a fold-out side table built right into the wall. Overhead cabinets provide ample space for clothes, books, or travel gear. Kitchen. The compact kitchen is a marvel of space optimization. You get a dual-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with an extendable faucet, and a 65-liter mini fridge that includes a tiny freezer. Overhead, a microwave oven sits neatly beside hanging spice racks. The countertop folds down when not in use, and under-sink cabinets house a waste bin, utensils, and cleaning supplies. And yes, there's even a fire extinguisher tucked in discreetly for safety. Washroom. Compact but practical, the washroom makes no compromises. A cassette toilet with push-button flush sits beside a foldable corner sink with hot and cold water. The shower head extends from the sink faucet and hooks to the wall, giving you a functional shower setup, complete with a drainage floor pan. There's a ceiling vent fan to manage moisture and a mirror cabinet above for toiletries. All waterproof, all wipeable, ready for the wild. That's a full walk through the Land Rover camper van motorhome, a true masterpiece in mobile living. With its bold design, luxury-packed interior, and off-road muscle, it stands tall at $141,000. Whether you're heading off-grid or glamping in the hills, this 4x4 adventure van delivers comfort and class. What's your favorite feature? Drop it in the comments. Speech Balloon forced them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.